Salute the YoungStar.
We started the day by just talking about futures, talking about our own futures. Now we're going to play a little card game, probably in 2 separate groups, because I think it will give everyone a chance to participate more. And this is more talking about the future of the world. So we're moving away from our personal futures and looking at sort of external features. All the pink cards have a person or a group of people. So for example, this one says an uprising of young people, and this one says a bunch of bored grannies. There's a blue card which is something that happens in the future. So this one says just left Earth in search of something better. Or this one says just negotiated world peace. Okay, so you're going to pick 2 random things. So I might get, an uprising of young people, just negotiated world peace. Okay, and then I have 30 seconds, or however long I need, to explain how that happened. So for example, if you gave me that prompt, I'd say, okay, an uprising of young people just negotiated world peace. Greta Thunberg did an amazing speech, and it started a whole series of school strikes. The young people were so powerful that they ended up storming the UK government. They took over control, and then they elected Greta Thunberg as head of the UK government, and she went to the UN and decided to make a new law that stopped all wars from happening ever again. Okay, so that's the basic format, structure of the game. If you don't understand the card or you don't understand it, just take a new one, and that'll be fine.